Just before I walk out of the house, Sister Gloria called me. Big up yourself, joyful Gloria. Have a mighty, joyful time. You see it, and create all of the nice memories and the links and all of them things. You see it, just full joy yourself to the maximum, my sister. You see it. Seeing a fun. Likewise, bless up yourself. You see it, and you understand, full joy in yourself. So yeah, just before I walk out of the house, Gloria called me. And Gloria said, Brother Jemrock, look who decided to walk over and come say hello to me. And she has shown me the person, see it? But the person I said to her said, yes, Master, blessed love and welcome to the channel. We do hope that everyone is out here doing well. Want to say heart of love and respect to each and everyone who take the time for watch the videos, subscribe to the channel, comment in the comment section and all of them nice things. I want to say give thanks and welcome. If you're not subscribed yet, just remember, say, right here now is a nice time to do it, and you understand, just be a part of the channel, is it? Yeah, so we're there again for another reason. And as we say, we're going back to basic, back to where we encourage the people and where we say I do nice things, good things, things that make you feel happy. You see me I say? And one of the things them what we say what make you feel good are the link up, the Caribbean Jerk Festival where they go on over there in New York. And me get a little glimpse into what is happening, some of the preparation. We see Colaz have prepared some coconut dumpling. You understand? The people them want to taste of the coconut dumpling. You see it, so Colaz do what Colaz do. You see it, and it might bring so much happiness and so much inspiration and joy to people worldwide. You see it, and for that I want to say big up. You see me? So before me walk out of the house, because I say alright, I'm going to do a video, but I'm going to walk outside today and just do a video in the park as usual. Big up Daddy Gagan. How we run off the park now, is it? But yeah, just before I walk out of the house, Sister Gloria called me. Big up yourself, joyful Gloria. Have a mighty, joyful time. You see it, and create all of the nice memories and the links and all of them things. You see it, just full joy yourself to the maximum, my sister. You see it. Seeing a fun. Likewise, bless up yourself. You see it, and you understand, full joy in yourself. So yeah, just before I walk out of the house, Gloria called me. And Gloria said, Brother Jemrock, look who decided to walk over and come say hello to me. And she has shown me the person, see it? But the person I said to her said, but him not gonna know who, because he don't know me. You see it? But immediately I recognize the voice. And I said to my sister, I say, yay, me love that. Me like that. Me like the fact say, you understand, the general walk over and come say hello and introduce himself in a nice and decent kind of way. Lieben, big up yourself, General. You see me? Big up yourself, Lieben. You see it? It's a joy. Me love the link. Me love the look. You see me? I say, it's a nice move. It's a nice move, brother. And you understand? The amount of joy what that bring me before I walk out of the house, I go do a video, and trust me, it just make everything just seal up and polish. You see me? I say, so me just want to commend the item. You see it? And big up the item pan the move there. You see it? Because at that we say unity, strength, love, togetherness, prosperity. You see it? All of nice things. You see me? So yeah, it's a nice look. Yeah, man, and it's a nice little turnout, me see him way too. Me like the look of the crowd, and you understand, me see how them organize out the place, and you understand, you have different designated area where link up go on, and different tents and different settings and them kind of thing. You see it, and it's a wonderful, joyous kind of, you understand, togetherness, you see me? And trust me, me really I look forward for, you understand, one of them time, yeah, we actually go up on the ground, you understand, a full joy some of them moment, yeah, with the people them and then kind of sitting there, you see it, so the togetherness and the unity and the love, man, me all for them kind of things, you see it, and we have to take note, you see it, and when we take note, we have to copy same way too, you see it, and we must make sure, say, who have the opportunity to do certain things must take the chance to do it, you see it, and make the link up them, bring happiness and bring inspiration to people, you see it. Give people chance to meet people who them sip on TV and who them watch grow and develop, you understand, who them help to encourage and help to motivate, watch them on their journey and all of them things, you see it, and the happiness where all of them things they bring, sharing the same space with, you understand, your favorite people them and the people them who encourage you and give you all of the motivation to keep you going, keep you producing the things where people like you for, you see it. Yeah, man, it's a wonderful feeling, man, and the more we can do them kind of things, yeah, it better for we. It better for we economically, it better for we on one community level where, you understand, the unity and the togetherness, you understand, all of that show when we make them kind of link up here and them kind of things, you see it, and for that more I have commend the people them who put on the event there, you see it, the organizers for the event. Big up on yourself, you see it, and the initiative to bring Colaz and get Colaz involved in it is also a wonderful thing, you see it, and Mr. Colaz do a live where, you understand, him exhibit some of the activity where they go on preparing for the whole event and them kind of thing, they see it, and trust me, man, it's a joy watching the whole event, the movement, the development, from the movement of the things them around the place to, you understand, the final moment where everybody are full joy, whatever them are full joy, who get a chance to, you understand, sample the coconut dumpling and then kind of sitting there, you see it, who get a chance to take a picture, who get a chance to shake a hand and hug a person and tell them say they love them, tell them say them appreciate the things and what them are doing. You understand, the whole things what bring the memory there, what bring the happiness there. All of them sitting here. You see it? It make you we realize this world is a wonderful world. And we have enough wonderful people in our world seeing we too. You see me I say? And I just want to encourage the people to continue to put out the wonderful, you understand, energy what bring us together. The wonderful energy what enhance our life. See? And I just want to encourage the youth them when they're around the place to just watch and see how people can achieve greatness without being, you understand, involved in a nefarious activities. You understand? How you can make something of yourself without becoming statistics of the system. How you can go out and create your own jobs, create your own opportunities, take your own chances, establish yourself make people see you and appreciate you for the good things what you do. See? And people can achieve and become great people by doing good things. And at that, we want to say, hats off to. You see it? And at that, we want to encourage the youth them to pay attention to and act on it. When you see it, just emulate it. Take lessons. Make sure say we are charter parts for ourselves. You understand? So we maximize upon the opportunities them will exist so we can grow and develop. Because there is so much what we can achieve. But if we work together, we can achieve so much more. Is it? Yeah, man. So the video you name Togetherness. You see it? And that way out you have to encourage. You see it? And that them kind of things there make we feel good. And them kind of things there we want to see people promote. You understand? The unity and the love and the strength and the blessings what we can offer to one another. Because we need each other, you know. You see it? Whether we like each other or not, we need each other. You see me? And the more we get to understand them things, I better them things is for all of us. You see it? So, I don't know my people. We don't go draw out the video too long, so we just want them to know say a strength up and blessing, and we love the happiness. You see it? So we could just move on and just do it in a oneness. You see it? Love, respect, and unity. Because only that we can use to overcome the challenges and the pressure what come with this thing or what we call life. You see it? So all of the people them out here where they do the right thing, want to continue to do the right thing. All of you them who aspire to become the best of yourself, just work on that. Continue do the things what to enhance your life and to bring yourself to the highest level. Bring yourself to the place where when you look back you can say, okay, at least today me feel like say me do better than what me did yesterday. You see it? And each day you just apply them kind of things. So you just strive to become the best of yourself at all times. So people, when I go and do the things same way, as I said, the people them out here where they do the right things, where they encourage the youth them, who they set the platform to help the youth them and them kind of things. When I continue to do them things, you see it, and motivate the youth them. Start from the people them where they in your immediate environment. So the love and the teaching and the motivation can just expand and just go out like a ripple effect. You see it? So make we do the right things and continue to stay blessed. You see it? Rastafari. Walk good and talk good. More strength and blessings.